કોટક નું ક્યાં ગયો?
Kotak Mahindra Bank Stock Review Investment Finance Banking Money Profit Wealth Income Stock Market Trading Share Market Buy-Sell Investment Strategy Long-Term Investment Short-Term Trading Passive Income Financial Freedom Wealth Creation Dividend Income Stock Analysis Market Analysis Banking Sector India Private Sector Bank Digital Banking Online Banking Mobile Banking Secure Banking UPI Payment Savings Account Current Account Debit Card Credit Card ME Home Loan Personal Loan Car Loan Business Loan Gold Loan Insurance Mutual Fund SIP Tax Saving Capital Growth Financial Planning Smart Investment Portfolio Trading Account Demat Account Premium Banking Cashback Rewards Banking App Fixed Deposit Recurring Deposit Salary Account Instant Payment Online Transfer Customer Support Economic Growth Banking News Investor Confidence Stock Performance Quarterly Results Net Profit Revenue Growth Market Cap Blue Chip Stock Trusted Banking Stock Strong Fundamentals High Quality Stock Stable Stock Market Leader India Retail Banking Corporate Banking Banking Technology Future Growth Market Recovery Bullish Stock Market Capital Appreciation Portfolio Growth Earning Report Financial Success Investment Opportunity Secure Investment High Return Stock Research Market Trend Share Price Growth Finance Education Business Finance Money Management Investor Strategies Strong Balance Sheet Trusted Financial Brand India Stock Exchange NSE BSE Trading Volume Financial Services Banking Future Digital Finance Cashless Payment Investment Return Long-Term Wealth Planning Smart Money Investment Ideas Growth Stock Value Investing Banking Company Profit Growth Earning Growth Top Banking Stock India Economy Growth Wealth Management Income Generation High Value Investment Stock Update Finance Channel Trading Tips Investment Learning Market Opportunity Risk Management Stock Forecast Finance News Market Movement Banking Leadership Trusted Investment Smart Banking Secure Finance Digital Future Customer Satisfaction High Banking Revenue Corporate Finance Retail Finance Investment Banking Market Expansion Growth Opportunity Wealth Building Income Planning Trading Education Financial Literacy Market Insights Portfolio Strategy Stable Earnings Banking Innovation Economic Strength Trusted Share Market Stockholder Return Business Expansion Banking Services India Profit Strategy Investor Awareness Financial Security Online Finance Digital Transaction Finance World Smart Trader Market Expert Finance Update Financial Growth Strategy Wealth Building Ideas Investment Success High Quality Portfolio Stock Research India Future Investment Business Banking Strong Revenue Asset Growth Banking Development Market Success Economic Recovery Stable Company Growth Potential Secure Banking System Top Investment Stock Financial Market Learning Trading Knowledge Smart Finance Wealth Planning Market Analysis Expert Investor Portfolio Income Source Growth Opportunity Stockholder Value Trusted Banking Partner Financial Services Company India Market Capitalization High Performance Banking Stock Finance Sector Leader Consistent Growth Earnings Growth Strong Profit Margin Future Wealth Creation Business Opportunity Secure Capital Investment Banking Excellence Top Finance Stock Trading Opportunity Investment Mindset Money Growth Strategy Digital Economy Banking App Services Online Account Investment Return Strategy Share Market Learning Finance Management Business Success Market Confidence Stock Trading India Top Banking Company Trusted Finance Institution Capital Market Banking Solutions Wealth Generation Smart Portfolio Long-Term Capital Gain Finance Opportunity Market Intelligence Economic Expansion Future Ready Banking Modern Banking Services Strong Investment Stock Trading Education Investment Planning India Banking Market Leader Customer Trust Financial Empowerment Investment